मार्केट, इस वर्ड को हम सब ने सुना है। स्टॉक मार्केट के साथ स्टॉक के बारे में लोगों के बीच काफी बार डिस्कशंस होते रहते हैं। Just to remind you, our last video was all about the stock market. अगर आपने वो वीडियो अब तक नहीं देखा है, तो click on the link mentioned in the description to watch the video. Now let's get back to our actual topic. What is a stock? आ जाओ, let's understand it in the most simple manner. समझो आपके दोस्त ने एक रेस्टोरेंट खोला है and कुछ टाइम बाद he or she is thinking of expanding it. But they are lacking fun. What they do instead? वो आपके पास आते हैं and ask for fun. In return, वो आपको उस रेस्टोरेंट के बिजनेस का स्टॉक यानी एक शेयर देते हैं, जिससे आप उस रेस्टोरेंट के शेयर होल्डर बन जाते हैं. As and when the restaurant profits, आपको एज अ शेयर होल्डर वो प्रॉफिट्स पर इन पार्ट एज अ डिविडेंड और प्राइस अप्रिसिएशन मिलता है. Now imagine the same scenario with a company where it plans to raise funds to expand and grow their business by inviting the public to invest in their business. This is done through IPO. You invest some money and are allotted a designated number of stocks during the IPO. Now these stock owners become shareholders of the company. Remember, stocks is the total capital of the company. Now the second question is, why do companies issue stock? Well, they do it to raise capital that can be used for expansion, capital expenditure, working capital requirements, and to clear off debt repayment. To be honest, there are many more reasons like mergers and acquisitions, etc. Well, I hope इस explanation से आपके doubts clear हुए होंगे. जाने से पहले हमें comment section में जरूर बताइएगा if this video answered all of your questions. Also, investments करें तो सिर्फ StoxBox के साथ, क्योंकि we help you become successful in the stock market. Also, don't forget to subscribe to StoxBox.